Hi parents, this is Mr. Faith. I am either your child's pre-cal teacher, Algebra 2 teacher, or National Merit teacher. This is my 13th year here at Alvin High School and 13th year teaching overall. I graduated from Texas A&M with an accounting degree. When it comes to teaching, I've taught almost every course that we have here at Alvin High School. I got a wife. I have 4 kids. The youngest are twin girls. You can see their pictures on my website, which I will be showing you here in just a second. The first thing I wanted to show you though was Google Classroom. So let's take a look at that. So when your kids go into their classroom, it'll have the name and period of the class here. It's got the class code, but I invited all of them in already. If for some reason they're at home and they want to be on the Meet, just have them let me know, email me, message me that they will be at home but they want to still be in on the class. I'll make sure that I'm on the Meet so that they can get on as well. When they click on classwork, they'll see everything here. If they haven't filled out their APA contract and gotten that uploaded, we need that uploaded as soon as possible so they can find that here. When they click here at the Advanced Academics and then click on contract, it's got the contract here that they need to print out, fill out, and you and them need to sign it. Once they've done so, they can click the Google form here so that they can upload the file of the picture with their name and student ID and so on. Okay, so we need that done as soon as possible if they have not yet done so. Also in classwork, they'll see each unit. So for pre-cal, it was unit 0, which was our review. Then unit 1, which we are finishing up tomorrow. It's got the date range. So as you can see, 9/18. I recorded this on the 17th. So that's finishing up tomorrow. I will start posting for unit 2 here in another day or so. The other, and within here they can see assignments. So I posted notes as material. I did not have them do the assignment, so they don't have to worry about the assignment for that. But assignments, it shows their due dates over here. You can keep track of their classroom just by making sure that you're invited to the classroom. If you need an invite, let me know and I will invite you through email. The other important thing that will be very important because I've worked very hard on it is my website. If you want to get there, it's really easy. If you Google Alvin Faith, I'm the first link, takes you to my website. Then you can pick the course that your child is in over here. It's got my tutorials, Monday through Wednesday after school from 3:10 to 3:40. Student information sheet if they'd like to fill that out and tell me a little bit about themselves. Schedule, so you know what I'm teaching each period. When you click on it, so say pre-cal, if you click on pre-cal, then it brings up the calendar for my class, so you could always know, or they can know what they're doing every day. Okay. Below you'll also see various things. One is the syllabus. If you want a syllabus of the course, you can click that. Click this button right here to make it larger, and you could print that out as needed. Also, you'll see notes and assignments. I do post my notes to my website every day. So click on that. It brings you to the OneDrive folder that actually houses those notes. And then you can click on the unit that we're in and you can see what notes they've taken every day in the class. You also have the assignments there. It'll be the same thing. It's going to bring you to a OneDrive folder, and then by the unit you can see what assignments they have. The last thing is the entire assignments packet that I'm going to that I give them every unit. If you need to contact me from my home page, it has the campus phone number, so you could call that and have them connect you to me. My email address is also here. A little bit about myself here. That's really about all I have. If you have any further questions about my class or about me, feel free to email me and ask. Thanks. Bye.